Hey there, this is Michael here, and I want to say thank you for being here today. It's shown me that you have a passion, you have a message that you want to send to help others online. And I know that feeling because when I first started, I really wanted to help people, right? I really wanted to help people, and I also wanted to make money in the process. I was searching for passive income ways myself. Everything wasn't as good as it is now. I started in a place where, um, I was working, I was being undervalued, underestimated, undervalued, not getting paid well. I was making minimum wage. Um, I was going to school at the time to finish my. I was already 3 years in, second year to finish um, community. Because I was going to the community college after 1 year of university, 2 years of community, and it really was starting to show that, within my job, it was like I was performing more than I had to, um, and I said enough was enough. I had some time already on the internet trying to figure out what it was I was going to try to do, and in the process of that, I was doing surveys, um, figuring out one thing after the next, wasting my time, right? And there's all these scams out there. There's all these things that lure you in, trying to tell you that they're going to make you passive income. But you're not going to be one of these people because I help you, and I even, put these things up so that it's a scam. Um, so in that process, I was turning back to the internet, and I said, let me give it a shot. And that's when I heard about affiliate marketing through a friend of mine. And my friend Tyson, give credit to Tyson, he was telling me about affiliate marketing, what it was and what it can do. And at first, you're probably where I was back then, thinking this isn't gonna work. Why should I invest my time into that? Um, but there's a purpose, There's a reason why you're on the internet right now. There's a reason why you're online, listening to me. And I'll get to why you should listen to me. Um, so the internet is big, right? And so I went on there and I started doing affiliate marketing when I came across it, and I was doing video, watching video after video, researching blog posts on SEO, learning about AdWords and things like that, how to produce a blog, a website, video, how to make passive income that way. And I got off to the races, and I was learning from some people. I built up a free website, and I went from there. And I was doing Wix.com and some of these free websites where you can get a free site up and running. And I thought I was golden. I thought I was gonna do it. And I was producing content and trying to provide value for my audience because that was the purpose of it. And I thought I was doing well. I thought I was gonna start ranking in Google and doing all these things, attracting more traffic. But it hit me that that was not the thing to do. Um, and so I was like, not even a week after that I was like, look, I'm gonna have to do things differently. So I went into a hosting and domain platform known as HostGator, and I was with them for some time under WordPress. And I thought I was doing well enough on my own, but that right there wasn't even enough. That wasn't enough to push me to do and get the results that I needed for other people, and let alone get the results for me. I'm not a selfish person, so I want to help others first, and this is the whole point of helping others first before you can move on forward with what you want to do. And so, I found after much more research, I found a platform called Wealthy Affiliate, and this is kind of probably what's brought you here. And just if you don't know about Wealthy Affiliate, it's basically a training platform for affiliate marketers and people who um, not only want to build a foundation but become moderate to an expert in it. So it's kind of tailored from beginners to more onward. There's definitely more places to learn, but Wealthy Affiliate is by far the best place for a foundation and how to learn so much more within their videos, within their training, their updated training. It's world class for me. I know that their training is world class, and I'm not just saying that because it's the only thing I've tried. I've tried things like Builderall, and I've gone on to much more bigger projects now. With I've tried ClickBank out. I don't mind using it. I don't use it too much anymore, but they teach you how to use these things. Um, Got into, now I'm pairing it up. I'm at a point where I'm pairing WordPress with ClickFunnels. So I do a lot of more conversion optimizing for my website. And my website is I've developed one in the health and wellness space, helping people with lower back pain because I had my own story within that, which I won't get into. Maybe at a later time I'll share with you. But then so onward, I've been able to move into more helping people in this industry called affiliate marketing, just so they know how they can make a living with it and how they can share their interest, their hobby, or whatever they have a passion for. So what this is about. It's about you knowing that you can become something more, and this is what brings me to the secret. So the secret that I want to share with you, believe me, this secret right here, this is kind of, you're probably gonna think it's cheesy. You're probably gonna think this is what I was waiting for. Trust me, this one thing I'm gonna tell you, you're gonna carry that with you everywhere you go, whether it's with Wealthy Affiliate or not, and that is drive. Okay, so drive. That's the one secret that you have to succeed with Wealthy Affiliate. Drive. I mean, at first you might be, a free member. Excuse me. And then you might be thinking, okay, what is this about? You're going to have all these questions, and I'm going to be there to help you. I'm going to be there to guide you within that platform. I'm in the community even when I'm really busy myself. Don't think I'm not there. But drive is it. There's all these other things like motivation I can get into and all that. But, Rome wasn't built in a day. And so what you're trying to build shouldn't be built upon and based upon 1 week, 2 weeks, a month, 2 months, 6 months, 7 months, a year, and so forth. You can build it on from 6 months to a year, but you have to nurture it. You have to take care of what you want to share your message across with people. What this isn't like one of those CBD oil network marketing things that I've tried in the past where they give you a free website and here you go promote your health and wellness industry. This is not what this is. This can give you so much more leverage. And it's amazing because I've gone from actually those. I did a program called like CTFO at a point, and I moved from there to Wealthy Affiliate because it was much more proven with what I was trying to send my message across. So drive is it right there. That's what you need. And if my voice is a little bit low or high, it's because it's a little late here and I don't want to be too loud. But drive is it. So over the next couple of days, I'm going to be giving you more training, and I'm going to be showing you more beyond what you're going to be learning with Wealthy Affiliate and when you go on board with them. I went 100% in. I was at a point too where I was like, I didn't know if I wanted to do this, but I was at a point where I'm going to do this and I'm going to say, okay, look, it's worth doing. And I'm going to earn a passive income doing it, and so forth. I have been able to do that. And I've learned so many skills, and I've gone in actually in this field and done so much more. So why should you listen to me? Because I do have these digital marketing skills as a digital strategist too. So I've learned how to build websites. I've learned how to rank them in Google, bring up the SEO, use AdWords. I'm certified, and I've helped some clients out before. And so I want you to know that I'm going to be here. Whenever you need to optimize your website, whenever you need to add more content, whichever, with blogging and video, if you need to use ads on Google, Facebook, Bing, Instagram, etc., I'm going to be here to help you. I do this on a consistent basis for people and for my own business. So just stay tuned in, and you're going to learn a lot more coming up in the next video. Thank you. Talk to you then.